In my last video, I was talking about how everyone should start a business, have a main source of income, which is your job, which pays all the bills, but your side hustle can provide a different source of income, as in a way to invest, build wealth, and of course, if you're trying to get rich, this is a perfect way to do it. But today's gonna be a little different. I want to show you guys exactly how you can make extra money on the side using AI.
Nail done, hair done, everything big. And my NY girls, let me see your hands.
So I'm doing a new series on how to start extra side hustles, since I always preach about making extra money and how millionaires have 7 sources of income. So this is gonna be a new series where I'm teaching you guys exactly how to do it. If you're new to my page, me and my mom own a few businesses together. We own a marketplace, a boutique, and of course I documented my whole life on YouTube about the ins and outs of being a business owner. Also a grad student, actually a post-grad. I just graduated with my master's. I did a lot. Okay, so that was just the intro. So let's talk about AI. I know a lot of people are talking about AI, how Chat GPT is taking over and all that, but let's utilize this as a way to make money off of. So let's jump straight into my first tip. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use Chat GPT, Canva, Fiverr, use all these sources to help you. So the first tip is using AI for freelance work. Freelance work is basically you being hired to do a service, to do an editing or do something. So this is the perfect way to make an extra income, especially if you have extra time on your hands. This is actually perfect. So the first one is to create a Fiverr account. So a Fiverr account, basically, if you need some type of editing for a blog, editing for a YouTube video, a picture, a lot of people, well, potential clients, go on Fiverr to look up. They just search in the search box what they're looking for, and they just hire someone to create whatever they need. So this is where you come in, and you can use AI to do this. Is create your Fiverr account and produce content on there. Sell yourself. So when people are looking for, let's say if they want, I said a blog, so let's say they need help writing a blog, or they just don't have time to do it, they can just type in vlog and, a blog, and then your video will pop up or whatever, and then produce your content. And with that, you can use Chat GPT. Why can't I speak? Chat GPT. You can use Chat GPT to help write that vlog for them. Blog. Also with Fiverr, you can create people's thumbnails on Fiverr, and you can use Canva. I use Canva personally for my YouTube videos, and I know a lot of people, well, not a lot of people, one person said something that I need to improve my skills with Canva, but the thing is, I have so much on my plate. I just do the basic. I know I just do the basic with my thumbnails. I can actually go on Fiverr and need some help, but until then I use Canva. And also you can use Canva to do yours. If you don't know about Canva, basically they just have templates, and you just add in your picture and your font, whatever you want, on their templates already. So it's actually very convenient. Just go in the search box, type in YouTube thumbnails, and then they already have perfect examples. They have free ones. I go for the free, guys. You already know I am frugal. So go to the free option, and then I just pick what type of thumbnail. They have literally everything on there. The second idea is using AI for faceless content, just doing voiceovers on a type of video. I feel like those do better because it's not that much. I'm gonna say it's not too much work. Everything is a lot of work, but I'm saying faceless content is the way to go. I watch a lot of that, especially on TikTok, so you can utilize this as well. But you can use Chat GPT, type in exactly what you want, or ask them to help you. Literally, Chat GPT has everything on there. Literally. So you just type in what you want, and then you can go search what type of video you want the voiceover over. Like if you want to do a tutorial, you can just have it's a lot of faceless content out there. I'm just throwing in some ideas, but using AI to help you with the voiceovers, well, actually just the script for the voiceovers, and you're good. If you don't know how to do a voiceover, you can also record yourself reading a script and then just uploading that to your I use iMovie, whatever editing software you use, and that's how you do a voiceover. I could actually go in detail about it or do another tutorial. Yeah, it's a lot. And also, if you're not doing voiceover, TikTok, Instagram, and also Facebook, they have editing software on their platform as well, where you can do voiceovers on there and you can just save it. The last tip is selling AI generated images, or either a notebook using AI to design it. So my last tip is selling AI generated products. Now, you can go on DALL-E. It's DALL-E. DALL-E. Go on there and create something. Create a notebook, a journal or something, a calendar. I'm just throwing out some ideas. Go in there, create it, and then upload that to Etsy, because Etsy prefer handmade products. So use Etsy or print on demand. Those are the two I feel like are really good. But with Etsy, I don't know about it. Well, okay, I'm not gonna give my opinions. I'm just giving you guys some ideas. So you can go in there, sell it on there. I really do feel like printing on demand is like really up and coming right now. And that is it. I know it's quick to the point. When I do my tutorials, I go straight to the point. It was only 3 tips, but I feel like all those tips are very helpful. If anything resonate with you, comment hustle down below, and I can do a full tutorial on all of them or any of them, or give some more tips. But I feel like those are the main ones that are very popular. So yeah, that is it in my tutorial. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them below, and make sure you're following me and subscribe, and yeah.